and listen by someone else. So just be being on Harry, okay? It's okay with Harry, ma'am?
Yes, it's okay. I don't care if it's recorded because I'm single and I know you're single too. So I just want you to help me with my PayPal, Poppy.
No worries, ma'am. Just let me know. Just tell me, do you use WhatsApp on your phone?
WhatsApp. I use it from time to time.
Yes, ma'am. So is it installed on your phone right now?
Yes, it is. You can call me sexy.
Okay. Sure, 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 sexy. Just be on the line. Let me call you on your WhatsApp, okay? Just be
Okay.
on the line.